Hey, good morning, everyone. It's JJ at Micro E Futures. Little video for the 8th of August. I figured doing them on Sunday is great, but it's good to do a bit of a midweek update. And since we're going into Friday, let's take a look and see what this kooky market's got in store for us. So, if you look at just a simple candle chart, you can see that everyone above 5190 who has any kind of a long position is trapped. Okay. There's a lot of inventory above us. And you can see the signs when you get up to that 53.66 area, they start to sell into it. Okay. So right now we are staying above 5190 on this candle chart. This is a balance level where we had a cost basis and we came back into that cost basis on liquidation. If you take the balance area and double it again, you'll get targets, and 57.19 is pretty close to the all-time high. So what we're going to do now is we are going to be testing that bid of the overnight. Our overnight low is 51.82 and change. And the thing that we need to look out for is the low of Monday. That low, be very, very surprised if that low does not get tested, given the nature of the liquidation that we had. That low could severely be tested. Just watch out for that because every time we've taken the market and taken it up, it's been swing trading inventory up and then back down and then up and down. So let's go take a look at a profile chart and you can see what I'm talking about. You can see the overnight inventory here is currently long because over 70% of the inventory is above yesterday's close. There's yesterday's low. So we looked below it, came back up, and we've just been trading between 51.94 and 52.36. That's a small little balance zone. And it's just right in the cost basis of Monday. So we did go into Monday's excess. We call this excess and tested it, but we have not gotten anywhere near the low of Monday yet. It might happen today. It might happen later on. If it doesn't test 51.46, the market's telling us something. But generally, after a liquidation, um, the nature of which was very, very significant that we had, it it would be kind of strange not to test that low. So just keep that in the back of your mind, those of you who are thinking of putting a position together, because every time we've gotten up above 53.20, we've had a little bit of distribution yesterday and it just couldn't hold and they just put it on sale all the way right back down to cost basis. So those are things that you want to be watching for longer term. Longer term traders here, if we accept above 52.36, use the levels 52.57, 52.78, 5300, 5320. To the downside, we've got that level just underneath the overnight low. I believe that's in the 5170s area. And then we have 5153 and then 5146. So those are the levels on a longer term. Market profile here shows all of the stops. And I'm just going to show you where they are right now. So we had a price spike in M period of yesterday. We were underneath the spike for most of the time, right? And now overnight inventory is not really showing any signs of correction. We seem to keep finding bids around 5,200, even in the overnight. So our overnight low is all the way down here at 51.82 and 51.46 that's what I call a swing low, or in my vocabulary, I call that a pinata low. If we take that, we'll have some more selling. So just always be aware of that. Right now, we're trading between that 51.94 and three quarter and 53.320, 52.36 and a half, excuse me. Top of the zone that I've got marked off. Here are the upper stops with the overnight high. So just keep track of that and trade stop to stop when it opens. The next set of upper stops is way up here at 52.60. So if the market breaks over the overnight high, strange things do happen in this market. This market has a habit of running out of supply just when everybody gets short. So keep that in mind. Here are the upper stops all the way up to 52.65. The cost basis of yesterday, the low of it is 52.57. And yesterday we had, of course, another massive, massive range, right? And these are things that we want to watch out for today. Trade from stop to stop. If you are a newer trader, use the market profile, trade from stop to stop. We also have our handy dandy 1 minute chart, which helps us on faster executions when we do things like we do a look below and fail, you target the top, and you look above and fail, you target the bottom, fail to look below, you target the top. Once you regain a level, you'll pretty much go back up to the top of it, come back to the middle, and then back up to the top. So look for bids. Join us at MicroE Futures if you want to learn how to trade with some common sense, manage your risk intelligently, and preserve your capital in a way a professional trader preserves capital. Um, this trading business is a marathon. Be long-term greedy, my friends. Come join us at microefutures.com. We got a trial going on. And for those of you who need a little bit of extra help, we do have our coaching mentorship sessions starting soon. If any of you want any information about that, it's a lifetime mentorship course, which means I basically haunt you until you're profitable. And I'm always there for you. Thanks, everyone. Have a wonderful trading day. Be smart out there. Be long term greedy, my friends. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.